Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will try to learn about subtraction command, how we can use the subtraction command in Delta PLC 14 SS2 model. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss my upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, we will open our WPLSoft software 2.9 version, and then we will create a new program. Here we will choose our PLC model. Which model you have, you can choose. If you have a physical PLC, you can use the model. If you don't have a PLC physical and you like to only the simulation, only you can choose any model here. SS2, EX2, S2, SA model. Any model you can choose. For example, I will choose a SA and click it OK. So this window will be pop up, and then we will create a one contact here, internal memory LDM1000, for example 100 we will choose. And next what we will do, just for signals we will use any timer. Which timer? For example TT timer I will use. TTMR when you write, after you can get this command timer, and D0 we will choose for put the value, and K0 we will write it here. And next we will choose a subtraction command. Because of this value one comes after this value, we will use in the subtraction command. M200 we will choose. LDM200 when you write, after next just only type subtraction. Sub when you type, after you will get the command. Sub means which value we like to be subtraction. For example D0 value we like to be subtraction, so write it D0. And next which value you like, how much value you like to deduct from D0. Put any data register, no problem. D2 for D10 for example, write. And answer which data register you need, D20. Simply subtract D0 which value we like to be deduct from where D10, and where we like to be answer D20, and click it OK. And next here one for just learning purpose we will choose the compare instruction LD, and LD greater than which value, for example D20 we are using, subtract value D20, and K30, and means D20 when greater than K30 we need a one output on Y0 example. So this small program we will compile and download to the PLC. Make it simulator on first and again download to the PLC. When your program is successfully downloaded, our PLC is in stop mode, you have to be in put run mode. Now your PLC is in run mode, and just only you have to be first give value. For example I am 100, make it on, this D0 is running, and which value we like to be deduct from that D0 we will write it here, change present value, and D10 we have to be write. D10, how much value you like to be deduct from D0, you can write it here. For example K10 I need, so K10 put, and you can see the answer in K20. Again this is 33, 34, it will deduct from the 10 value from the D0, and answer given D20. And here we use this compare command. D20 we put for K30, means when D20 is greater than 30, after our y0 needs to be on. Next also you too many outputs you can set with this command also, means 1k30, 1k35, 46. I will stop and show you again 1 second. Make it here one row, here go, make it one row, and here you can put output. No, sorry, not this one. Yeah, can possibly, but I will put look like here we will put one line, and here we can make LD greater than D20. D20 when greater than, first we put 30, I think so. This is you can put K40 and click enter. Yeah, this is K30, this is a 30. After 30 we make it on y0, and here we will make 40 value. After this is out y2 and click enter, and this you will be delete this line because of this lines after running, and here you can make one more line, and here are also you can make it look like this one, control C, and here you can make it control V, and also one more needs control V. How much you need, and just only here change this Y3 I will choose, and this is Y4 I will choose, and this value also you have to be changed. This is K40, you need K45, okay, and this is we will put K50 because of some difference. After you can we will be understand about this compare instructions also. What's the problem? Why this is compare instruction not working? Yeah, here this made also one line we have to make it here, end instruction. Yeah, if end in Delta PLC, if you not put end instruction, your program will be not executes. Online to the PLC and make it on simulation, and now we will put the value here for distract. First make it on, and this also make it on, and this value we change present value D10 and put value 5 for example. Sorry, K5 we have to be right. K5 when you write, now you can see this is the from the 25 K5 distract and subtract and answer given D20. Now this we put for first relay for 30 value, and next we put for 40 value. When it's greater than 40, this D20 after your Y2 will be on, and when this is after 45, this value to your Y3 will be on, and when this is K50 after your Y4 will be on. So next also you can put for all reset or any when you're using in your own program, you can design this one, but this lecture is only for this subtraction command. So this is the subtraction command, and this is the easiest method to use this command. I hope you will be understand about this command. If not understand anything, can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.